The lakes in Argentina are suddenly turning fluorescent pink in color. The reason for this is actually bustling environmentalists, and the exact reason is not clear. It was reported that it could be caused by industrial pollution of a number of industrial units located in the vicinity of the lakes. But the reports of some trucks dumping industrial waste in the lake have come out. But then, a truck full of waste dumped in a big lake is not enough to turn the entire lake fluorescent pink. So the environmentalists are wondering if it could be something more fundamental, something more alarming, something which is a clear indication of a total change of environment in that particular region. However, if you are visiting Argentina these days, you may be startled to see the lakes which are fluorescent pink. It would be an amazing sight and a feast for the eyes. But then it spells imminent danger for the environment. And what exactly it means for future of environment in that region is entirely unknown as of now. So the news is the lakes in Argentina are now fluorescent pink. Thank you very much.